Hi, my name is Karen. Welcome to Petite Crown. Here we're going to demonstrate for you the origami fold for a flat diaper using the Petite Crown Organic Birdseye Cotton Bamboo Flat. First, what you do is you start out similarly to how you do a pad fold, where you fold it in half one way, and then you take one end and fold it in half again. This is where it gets different. What you do is you grab one of the top corners and then grab a folded corner over here and pull it down to make this triangle. This is the beginnings of the wings for your flat diaper. And here's the part, it gets a little trickier. You take the triangle ends and flip it upside down. Flip it over the other way. Now you have what's left of the square on top. You take this end and fold it into thirds or fourths, whichever you have enough of, until it gets to the middle, like this. This is the end that will go around the back of your baby, and here's the front. What you would then do is take your baby's bum would lay about here, and you want to line the back of the diaper about where the belly button is. Then what you would do is bring this front over the top of baby, bring the wings or corners over like this till you have a nice good fit there. And then using some kind of fastener like this, a Snappi is an example, you hook it into one end of the diaper, pull it across, hook it into the other side of the diaper, and then finish with attaching it in the front at the bottom. This is what it would look like without any kind of adjustments. Then what you would want to do, probably to make sure that you don't have any gaps in the legs, you would lift a leg up, double check, is there gaps? Yes, there is. You kind of tuck and roll these leg parts in a bit to get a better fit around your baby. That's what the origami looks like once it's been adjusted. Then you would take your cover, lift baby's legs up, line up the back of the diaper much of the same way with the belly button, and then pull from the bottom the diaper over your baby, and then snap diaper onto baby. What you would then look for once you have it snapped on is to make sure none of the flat diaper is sticking out. So you would tuck it in the front, and then, roll your baby over just a little bit. Make sure none of it's coming out the back. And that's the origami fold in a cover.